In the heart of the Amazon rainforest, a dark purple berry grows on tall, slender palm trees. For centuries, the indigenous people of Brazil have used this berry as medicine, food, and fuel. They called it the fruit that cries. They believed it had healing powers. They were right. That berry is the acai, and its antioxidant levels are nothing short of shocking. Acai berries have been tested and compared to dozens of other fruits. They consistently rank at the very top. They have more antioxidants than blueberries, more than cranberries, more than blackberries, more than strawberries. In some tests, acai has 10 times the antioxidant activity of red grapes. It has 20 times the antioxidant activity of bananas. It is one of the most powerful antioxidant foods on the entire planet. In this article, we will explore the shocking antioxidant levels in acai berries. You will learn what makes them so special, how they compare to other superfoods, and how to add them to your diet. By the end, you will understand why acai has earned its reputation as a true superfruit. Let us start with the numbers. Antioxidant levels are measured using a scale called ORAC, which stands for Oxygen Radical Absorbance Capacity. This scale measures how well a food can neutralize free radicals. Free radicals are unstable molecules that damage your cells, your DNA, and your proteins. They are a major cause of aging, inflammation, and chronic disease. The higher the ORAC score, the more powerful the antioxidant protection. Acai berries have an ORAC score of about 102,000 per 100 grams. Let us put that in perspective. Blueberries, which are famous for their antioxidants, have an ORAC score of about 9,600. Cranberries score about 9,000. Blackberries score about 5,300. Strawberries score about 4,300. Acai is not just a little bit higher, it is an order of magnitude higher. It is in a completely different league. In fact, acai has one of the highest ORAC scores of any food ever tested. Only a few spices like cloves and cinnamon score higher. Among fruits, acai is the undisputed champion. This shocking level of antioxidants comes from the unique combination of compounds in acai. The most important are anthocyanins. These are the pigments that give acai its deep purple color. They are the same compounds found in blueberries and blackberries, but acai contains them in much higher concentrations. Acai also contains other powerful antioxidants like proanthocyanidins, flavonoids, and phenolic acids. The combination of these compounds creates a synergistic effect. They work together to provide protection that is greater than the sum of their parts. Now let us talk about what these antioxidants actually do in your body. Free radical damage is happening inside you right now. Every time you breathe, eat, or move, your body produces free radicals. Environmental factors like pollution, UV radiation, cigarette smoke, and processed foods also create free radicals. Over time, free radicals damage your cells. This damage accumulates. It is a major driver of aging. It contributes to wrinkles, age spots, and declining organ function. It also contributes to chronic diseases like heart disease, cancer, diabetes, and outsiders. Antioxidants neutralize free radicals. They donate an electron to the unstable free radical, stabilizing it and preventing it from causing damage. The shocking antioxidant levels in acai mean that a small amount of this fruit can neutralize a huge amount of free radicals. This protects your cells from damage. It slows down the aging process. It reduces your risk of chronic disease. This is why acai is often called a longevity fruit. Let us look at the science. Dozens of studies have examined the antioxidant effects of acai. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry tested acai against other fruits. Acai had the highest antioxidant activity of all fruits tested. It was particularly effective at neutralizing superoxide radicals, which are among the most damaging free radicals in your body. Another study gave healthy adults acai pulp every day for 4 weeks. The participants had significant increases in their blood antioxidant levels. They also had reductions in markers of oxidative stress. A third study looked at the effects of acai on DNA damage. DNA damage is a major cause of cancer and aging. The study found that acai extract protected human cells from DNA damage caused by free radicals. The protective effect was dose-dependent. More acai meant more protection. A fourth study looked at the effects of acai on inflammation. Chronic inflammation is closely linked to oxidative stress. The study found that acai extract reduced the production of inflammatory molecules in human cells. The anthocyanins in acai were particularly effective at blocking these inflammatory pathways. Now let us talk about how acai compares to other superfoods. Goji berries are famous for their antioxidants. They have an ORAC score of about 32,000. Acai is more than 3 times higher. Pomegranates score about 10,000. Acai is 10 times higher. Dark chocolate, which is often praised for its antioxidant content, scores about 20,000. Acai is 5 times higher. Green tea scores about 1,200. Acai is nearly 100 times higher. This does not mean you should stop eating other superfoods. Each food has its own unique mix of nutrients. But if you are looking for the most concentrated source of antioxidants, acai is the winner. It is important to note that acai berries are highly perishable. They spoil within 24 hours of being picked. This is why you cannot buy fresh acai berries outside of the Amazon. The acai products you see in stores are processed. They are usually freeze-dried or turned into a puree and frozen. Freeze-dried acai powder has the highest concentration of antioxidants. Frozen acai puree is also excellent. Acai juice is less concentrated. Many acai juices have added sugar, which can negate some of the health benefits. Acai bowls are popular, but can be loaded with sugar from granola, honey, and other sweet toppings. If you want the antioxidant benefits, choose unsweetened acai powder or frozen puree. Let us talk about the specific health benefits linked to acai's antioxidants. First, heart health. Oxidative stress is a major driver of heart disease. It damages the lining of your arteries, leading to inflammation and plaque buildup. The antioxidants in acai protect your arteries from this damage. Several studies have shown that acai improves cholesterol levels. In one study, people with high cholesterol who ate acai pulp for 30 days had significant reductions in LDL, bad cholesterol, and total cholesterol. They also had increases in HDL, good cholesterol. Another study found that acai improved blood vessel function. The participants had better blood flow and lower blood pressure. Second, brain health. Your brain is particularly vulnerable to oxidative stress. It consumes a huge amount of oxygen. It is rich in fats that are easily damaged. The antioxidants in acai can cross the blood-brain barrier. They protect your brain cells from damage. Animal studies have shown that acai improves memory and learning. It also reduces inflammation in the brain. Third, skin health. UV radiation from the sun creates free radicals in your skin. This damages collagen and elastin, the proteins that keep your skin firm and youthful. The antioxidants in acai neutralize these free radicals. They protect your skin from sun damage. Some studies have shown that acai extract applied to the skin reduces wrinkles and improves skin elasticity. Eating acai also provides internal protection. Fourth, metabolic health. Oxidative stress contributes to insulin resistance and diabetes. The antioxidants in acai improve insulin sensitivity. In one study, overweight adults who ate acai every day for 30 days had lower fasting blood sugar and insulin levels. They also had lower markers of inflammation. Now let us talk about how to incorporate acai into your daily diet. The most popular way is an acai bowl. Blend frozen acai puree with a little water or plant-based milk until it forms a thick, smoothie-like consistency. Pour it into a bowl. Top it with fresh berries, sliced banana, coconut flakes, chopped nuts, and a drizzle of honey or maple syrup. Keep the toppings healthy. Do not overload with sugar. You can also add acai powder to smoothies. A tablespoon of acai powder adds a powerful antioxidant boost without changing the flavor much. Acai powder is also great in oatmeal, yogurt, or chia pudding. You can add it to pancake or muffin batter. You can mix it into salad dressings. The dark purple color adds a beautiful hue. Acai capsules are another option. They are convenient but less concentrated than the powder or puree. If you choose capsules, look for a brand that uses freeze-dried acai with no fillers. The typical dose is 3 to 6 grams of acai powder per day. Start with a smaller dose and see how you feel. A few warnings. Acai is safe for most people. It is rare to have an allergy. If you are allergic to pollen or other fruits, start with a small amount. Acai can also cause digestive discomfort in some people. This is usually due to the fiber content. Start with a smaller dose and gradually increase. Drink plenty of water. Acai also has a mild blood pressure lowering effect. If you take medication for high blood pressure, monitor your levels. Acai can also lower blood sugar. If you take medication for diabetes, monitor your blood sugar closely. Pregnant and breastfeeding women should consult their doctor before taking acai supplements. There is not enough research on safety in these populations. Finally, be aware of sugar. Many commercial acai products have added sugar. Read the label. Look for unsweetened acai puree or powder. Do not assume that an acai bowl from a cafe is healthy. Many are packed with sweetened granola, honey, and sweetened fruit. They can have as much sugar as a dessert. Make your own acai bowls at home. You control the ingredients. In summary, the antioxidant levels in acai berries are truly shocking. They have an ORAC score of about 102,000, which is 10 times higher than blueberries and higher than almost any other food. The unique combination of anthocyanins, proanthocyanidins, flavonoids, and phenolic acids creates a powerful synergistic effect. These antioxidants neutralize free radicals, reduce inflammation, protect your heart, support your brain, improve your skin, and help control your blood sugar. Acai is not a magic cure. It will not fix a bad diet, but as part of a healthy lifestyle, it is one of the most powerful foods you can add. You can eat it as frozen puree, powder, or capsules. Make acai bowls, smoothies, or oatmeal. Avoid added sugar. Be consistent. The shocking truth is that acai is one of the most antioxidant-dense foods on Earth. It has been used for centuries by indigenous people in the Amazon. Modern science has confirmed what they always knew. Acai is a superfruit. Try acai. Feel the difference. Protect your cells. Live healthier. That is the shocking power of acai berries.